So hello friends, how are you doing? Today we are going to see a demonstration of Maxim LIS software, which is a flagship product of Birlamedisoft Lab Information System. This software is a offline online system. It's a ERP software. It's good for the big laboratories, diagnostic center, chain of labs. This software will sit on your computer. It's a server-based software, and you can operate on the multi-terminals. And using the static IP address, you can also see a software from outside. So once you attach a static IP address to the server, you can operate from the outside too. You can browse it through the internet. Means your collection center, or you can access your lab. You can access collection center, can access your lab, and your server must be on at that time, should be connected to the internet via IP address, that is static IP. Secondly, while you run on the LAN, you don't need a internet connection. That's what it is called as offline online system. It's a perfect solution which labs which are looking for the offline online system. It's kind of hybrid system completely. So let's see the demonstration of this system completely. It's called as Maxim LIS. So let me log into the software. It's a completely browser-based system available to you. Okay, so you see whenever you open it, there are three menus are there. The complete system is operated by the username and password. So depending on the what are the credentials are given to the user, they can get the set of menus and all these things, roles and rights. So diagnostic center, procurement, and user management. There are three sections are there. So let's go to the diagnostic center. Diagnostic center is the complete laboratory. Procurement means it has got a complete inventory control. So procurement for the purchasing of the raw material like kits and reagents can be purchased. Purchase PO can be created. All these things comes under the procurement. And user management means various users which are going to operate the software. So we'll see one by one, and we'll quickly see the complete software. So when I click on the diagnostic center, I have got the certain menus. Okay, on the top you will see that there are logout, the change password is there, the username, time, login time, everything is given on this. And these are the menus. Like admin menu is completely, this entire software is a completely menu driven system. User can do variety of things. Everything is changeable. It's a robust database driven program that nothing is hard coded into the software. So you can operate collection centers, user master, test master. You can do the add edit department, change the test, change the parameters, change normal values, add rates, everything you can do, change panic values, interpretation entry, everything is into the admin menu. Lab unit master, name of the lab, accounting master, unlock center. So the collection centers, once you establish a collection center, the collection center will have the automatic, they will able to register a patient from their location, and there, you can assign them the certain credits. So as soon as the, collection center is sending you the sample, the credit will get the minus. So once the credit reaches to the zero, a collection center will not able to send any more samples. So in that situation, you can have the complete control on the collection center. They can make the payment, then collection center will again resume it. So these facilities are available into the collection center. Then bank master, test rate entry, different types of rates can be entered. Every rate master can be different, like collection centers rate list can be different, doctor reference list can be different, everything, all reference list is you can create it. So the main thing is your main lab rate list you have to create. You have to only create your main lab MRP listing. From there, you can create virtually any type of listing, any type of rate card you can create within the second, because there are all calculations are there. So automatically it creates the all rate list. Then there's the admin section, add marquee, company address. This software has got an audit trail facility also. So audit trail is a very important facility In that, whatever data is entered into the system, it keeps on log of the data completely, date, time, who has done the ID of the operator who is using the software, and what are the earlier value and what is the next value. So you can easily go and trace it. This is a complete software which is an NABL compatible project completely. So all as per the norms of NABL, this entire software has been prepared, and this software has has been instrumental for getting because NABL, in NABL, if you see that software role is a very important very important thing into the NABL achieving certificate. So that software is completely NABL compatible, so you can get easily NABL certification while you using this Maxim LIS software. Report setting. For your header footer, you can set it. Initial master, user login info, test value search. One of the best feature, test value search is there. So you can virtually search any string, anything, any data within the second into the software. So you can immediately test. For example, you want to find it out whose hemoglobin is greater than 12. Tell me the patient whose hemoglobin is greater than 12, or tell me the patient whose serum cholesterol is greater than 135, depending what is the criteria you can give, and it will immediately give the list of all the patients which are meeting the criteria. So this is a very powerful test value search is there. So bulk email send option is there. Now let's go to the another menu, is called as patient registration. So if you see here the like admin, then patient registration, here we register the patient. Then next menu is accession, where we access the complete sample, where barcodes are generated. System automatically gives the barcode. If you have a barcoded vial, you can scan the barcoded vial, and if you don't have barcode, the system will generate the barcode, and it will automatically you will able to print that barcode on a barcode printer and attach to the vial. So this is the second section called as accession, where you can have the sample either accepted or rejected, or if it is rejected, for what reason it is rejected, that reason can be also given. Okay, the third menu is a patient result. So you register the patient, you go for the accession, and then you go for the patient result. So it's like a sequence. So patient result entry is made over here. Now patient result entry can be also interface. This software can be interfaced with 500 plus machines in unidirectional and bidirectional way. So all the data can be, as soon as you put a sample into the vial directly go to the machine, and machine will process the data. And if a machine has got a bidirectional capability, then automatically the data will automatically come into the software. So two types of interfacing can be done. Either it is a unidirectional and one is a bidirectional. So in bidirectional, you don't have to press anything, any command or anything. You need not to type on the machine the name or anything. Just a barcode, just insert a barcoded vial, and data will come into the software. That's called a complete bidirectional. And in a unidirectional, you have to at least type something on the your machine, like some number you have to type or name you have to type, and then data will come. So that is the difference between unidirectional and bidirectional. So it is a fully capable to cater any type of interfacing. So this is the patient result entry, and this what are the data which comes from the machine can be also edited manually. So both things are there. Data can be entered manually, data can be received via interfacing, instrument interfacing, and whatever the data is coming can be also modified, because if anything is wants to write or anything you want to do, you can still modify the data which has come from the instrument. So this is the test result entry form. Then fourth one is the accounting. After the complete billing cycle can be maintained. So this keeps a record of the complete billing. What are the outstanding balance? It will give the complete report, how much collection has been made, what is outstanding balance. All these things are maintained over here. So there are two accounts. One is called as collection center account, specifically devoted for the collection centers. So a complete section for the collection center, like making payment, how much, what is the ledger of the collection center, search patient, everything devoted for the collection center. Then there is another account is called as patient account, means which are the direct coming patient. So there's a patient account is there. This is completely devoted for the patient account. Then it gives you the every type of calculation, referral calculation, completely outstanding calculation, reports, how much is the business, what department wise business, all type of reports are available. Beautifully it creates. It also creates a worksheet. Whenever you want to generate a worksheet, whenever you want to give a task to your technician, the worksheet can be created. Then it also generates a turnaround time report. So this is the software completely for that this thing. Then inventory control. So inventory control, as we have seen that I told about the procurement section. So in the procurement, we purchase the material, and automatically as soon as we perform the test, the material will get like kits and reagents will get automatically minus from the system. So it's an auto system completely. So you can able to get the what is the inventory, what is the bill of material, what is the reagent consumption exactly. Means whenever you go and you do your physical inventory from the software, you will able to get the complete inventory, stock inventory of all the reagents and kits, and you can go and match with your physical inventory. You will find out exactly same. So like that, in a physical inventory, whenever you do some physical inventory, let's say for example, a software is showing a particular quantity 100, but in your physical inventory the quantity is around 99. So one quantity is damaged, so you can enter that information into the software stating that one quantity is missing or damaged. So like that you can maintain the complete inventory control into the software. Then current stock balance report is there. And finally the search is important point, part of the software where you can search various reports and everything into the search criteria. You can also get how many tests are performed, what number of tests are performed during the period. So this is the search. So now we are going to get one complete cycle. Now we are going to run one complete cycle of how the patient will come and how we are going to take the report. Now we are going to register one patient. So we'll go with the patient registration, registration walk-in, and we are registering one patient over here. Then once we start registering, okay, there will be initial. We'll select the initial. Miss, as soon as whatever the initial you will select, you will automatically get the gender over here. Then press the tab, go further. Immediately it will calculate the date of birth. Then mobile number, you can enter the mobile number or you can skip the mobile number. Then tab, go for the tab. Then here the referring doctor. So there is a, as soon as you type the first few character, automatically the list will come. So there's a referring doctor oneself is also. So it's created. Then tab. Once you keep on tabbing, you go further. Now here you are at the test. Okay, you are at the test. So now you have to select the test. So how you select the test? You type the like some few characters. Let's say complete, like that, complete blood count. See, it has automatically come. You type lipid profile, LIPID. Okay. Then a liver function test. Okay. So once you select it, you save the complete test. Okay, completely over here. See, we have selected complete blood count, and let's go ahead. You select the save button. Press the save button. Once you save it, it will go further. So one more test we are taking lipid profile. Look at this lipid profile. Then we can, any type of test, we have to just type first few character and it will come liver function test. So we have taken 3 tests now. Okay, and completely see here the barcode can be scanned completely over here. And once you are complete, press the save button. Okay, now it is saved. Test registration saved successfully. So we have registered the test. Now let's go for the accession. Once you go for the accession, here we generate the barcode. So see, now if you don't have a barcoded vials, it will automatically generate a barcode for you. Here the 3 barcodes has been generated. Submit and print. Okay, these are the barcodes. You have to just print barcode labels and barcode labels will be generated. These are the 3 barcodes which are generated. You attach on the, you put these barcodes, print out on the barcode printer and immediately attach to the, paste it on the vial. Okay, so your second step is complete. The third step. The third step is patient result. We are in the patient result window. So this is the criteria. By default, here the data is there and you have to say press this button. So immediately it will give you the today's patient. So see, the color coding is there. So patient which are completed or partially authorized, different color codings are there. And you can see what is the status. See, registered patient, partially tested like that, different status you can see it over here. Now let's see this patient we have just registered. So click on here. Okay, so a complete format has come to in front of us. Now you will see that there are doctors. So now you can have a different doctor. See, biochemistry doctor can be different or hematology doctor can be different. So if you are a big lab and if you have a multi-department, if you have a multiple doctors, yes, you can select the doctors for the various department and automatically their digital signature will come on that particular report. So like that, this is the thing. So let's select the doctor and assign it. So this doctor is assigned. Now let's enter the data. Okay. 0.1. So it can also do all type of calculation. You need not to have the calculator, available required to you. It will automatically have the commands where it will calculate the values. Okay, whatever the values are there, it will calculate. It has got all the formulas can be entered into the system. Okay, lipid profile, I'll type something over here, 125, I'll say 140, I'll say 45. These remaining values I want to calculate. Here I will type 4.5, I'll type 40, 12.5, okay. Total WBC count 4680. Like this, some values needs to be calculated. I'll type here 65, 29, 3, 3. This has to be calculated. So what are the values? You will leave it. It will not come in the output. So you have to just leave the blank. Okay. It will not come. Now here RBC morphology. I want to type RBC morphology. Now let's see. I need not to type it. There is a add help button is there. Just press this button and immediately the help will come. See, this is complete. It will write. If you want to select this, just say plus. It will write completely over here. See, it has written. So like that is this. So once this some data has been entered, there is a command called as calculate. Just press this command. And what are the values will be calculated? It will calculate it depending on the formulas which are entered. See, it has calculated here. Okay. Now here, I'll just type something over here. Okay. So it is only the formula. If the formula is missing, it will not give. So you can always add, modify the formulas and it will calculate. Your work will be automatically, the calculation will be done. What are the new parameters are introduced by you? You can have the formulas created automatically. Okay. So this is done. Just imagine I entered something over here. So let's say I type something over here 54 and 6, okay, 3.2. Okay, now here I'm typing, let's say I'm typing 2.2 here. Say it has turned into the red automatically. This is abnormal. So it will put like this, okay? And this ratio will be calculated, whatever it is, okay? Just press the button, wherever the calculation will be there, it will calculate it. See, it has calculated the ratio. So like that, everything, once everything is done, assign the doctor, okay? Once this is done, everything is done, then so save it, okay? 53, then 6, then 3.2. You have to ensure that you assign the doctor. This is very important because that is what it will save the information. 2.3, that is the first step. You keep on coming over here, you type some values, then okay, some values will be calculated. Okay, morphology. Okay, you select this, you add it, and you see completely, yes, doctors are assigned, and you calculate the button. Once you calculate it, okay, first you save it. It's very important. So there's a save button is there. Let's say save. Okay, values will be saved now. Again, select it. If you'll see that yes, it is tested. What it is showing? Tested. Okay. So now what a doctor will do? Doctor will open and they will see, okay, everything is done. If they want to do any changes, they will do it. And they'll say, okay, which other doctor has opened, they will able to have this, assign the doctor. Doctor is assigned, okay. Again, so what a doctor will do, this is authorization button, they have to do this. Unless until it is authorized, they will not, it will not come out of it. So I say authorize here, authorize over here, and authorize over here. And say save. Now let's see, the status will change now. Okay, see the status is authorized now. See, this is authorized. So color has changed now, color completely. Now it's ready to print. So we are going to print it now. So press this button and you are on the printing page. Okay, so here is the complete requirement. See, lipid profile, liver function test completely. So here is the local printing, and here is the report with the letterhead. So let's click on the report with letterhead first. So here is your letterhead, your laboratory letterhead, all the detail has come up, test ask all these things, and what are the abnormal values are into the red, bold, okay. And you can, if you want to make bold somewhere, you can also do your manual making anything to be bold. That is also possible, and by default, if it is false beyond this thing, it will give the this automatic, this abnormal values will come into the bold. The barcode has come and the signature has come, digital signature. Now you see another biochemistry liver function test completely, and the notes. Once you enter the notes into the software, it will automatically come notes. Interpretation entries will come. The third one is the lipid profile. So single report will come completely. Okay. So now let's see a report which is a local report. So local report will be available like this. I'll show you. Here is the local report. Means it will be local printing. So it will leave number of lines from the top. See, number of lines has been entered from the top and you can print it. So this is and another thing is, once you have the local report, if you see that, see hematology, immediately biochemistry has started. Means it is combining the test. So your paper is saved automatically. See, this is the combined report completely. Continuation. In continuation report has come. So you're within the three pages, it is only 2 pages. It is all the tests has come. So this is the power of clubbing the test. Okay, so this is also there. So now we are going to see the so this is the way. Then the email doctor patient. Okay, it can also send via WhatsApp. The WhatsApp facility has to be taken. It can send via WhatsApp, it can send via email. All these facilities are there, and there is a direct printing is also available. So this is there. Now let's see the accounts. Okay, into the patient account we can see the direct cash bill. Okay, so we can create the bill. Here is the bill. Okay, patient bill can be printed. Okay, this is a patient bill. It can have the percentage amount discount and all this thing. Amount paid, how much amount paid? 1200. What are the charges has come? And immediately save bill. I can print the bill also. Record is saved. Now let's say today's collection. Today's collection, daily cash report, where you can get the today's collection. Okay, date and summary report, detailed report. There are two types of reports are there. One is a summary report, one is a detailed report. Okay, this is the complete report has come up. So this gives you the complete command over here. So inventory control, yes, we can see the current stock and all this thing. It's a quite detailed module is there. As search patient, we can go and search it. Different patient, you can search by date range, you can search by registration number, you can search how many tests are performed during the period. Okay, so let's see. You want to see how many tests? Just say select. It will tell you exactly how many tests are done. Okay, these are the two tests, and then let's go over here and you will see again one more. Okay, by test wise, here is the search. It can show you on the screen. See, it's on the screen. CBC code 1 test. This is a 2 test are there. This is the 1 time. So who are these 2 people? Just select over here and it will give the name of the patient. Okay, these are the 2 patients. So like that you will get the complete idea. Okay, now let's go for the another section from here. Once you click on this button, you can go to the master menu. See, master menu has come. Let's say procurement section. Whatever the things are here, you will able to see it. Then user management. In a user management, you have a department master, designation, employees. Your employees are there. It can be registered over here. How much roles and rights has to be given. This is a complete user management model. So, friends, this is a brief demo has been given to you. This is a fabulous project. Maxim LIS and very useful project for the intranet, like offline and online system. It's a ERP software for this Diagnostic Center chain of labs which they want to operate on the intranet and also send the report via internet, access the software via internet. That is also possible. This entire software can be also put it on the cloud as well. There are plans are available, which I am going to show you the plans, which are the plans are available over here. So just have a plan, look at the various plans which are available into this software. So I'll just brief you about the plans. So this is the Maxim LIS profile. What are the plans are available? Okay, so you will also get Maxim LIS profile from us. You will get the detailed idea about this software and I'll show you which are the plans are there. This is a plans. This is a software which is compatible with the all type of FDA standard, CAP, HL7, HIPAA. All the standards are covered. NABL standard is covered. Then you will see that. Okay, this is the certain screens are given over here, and here are the plans. At the bottom, you will see our contact details are given over here. Where to contact, everything is over here. Now let's go down, and this is the plan starting, Maxim LIS plans. The first plan is basic plan. So it comes in INR 40,000 or US dollar 1,000. You will get two concurrent users. Means simultaneously two users can operate on the software. Installation remotely via web on your server, so will install remotely. 1 day training will be given to you, and there is a AMC. Next year you pay the AMC, okay, 5,000 per year. And in this plan we will also connect one laboratory instrument in a unidirectional way. Okay, if you want to connect a bidirectional machine, you have to pay additional charges. So the charges are given over here. Any additional machine, or if you want to convert, instead of unidirectional, you say okay, let's do the bidirectional, we can do the bidirectional also, you have to pay the balance payment. Okay, and the money, the charges are depending on the machine to machine, so you have to tell us which machine is there and I will tell you the charges. Now this is the basic plan, 40,000. One lab instrument is coming into this, and plus on the whatever the charges are there, there is a 18% GST has to be paid extra. So like 40,000 and GST 18%, 5,000 and GST 18% has to pay. Next plan is this silver plan. A silver plan is 80,000 rupees, USD 2,000. Then in that you get the 5 users connectivity and you get 3 collection center. In the early plan, there is no collection center. A collection center gets the username and password to operate the software. So remotely, whenever you have a collection point, they can directly register the patient from there. That's called the collection center, and they get a complete menu. They can download the report. Once the sample comes to you, you can process the sample and the collection center can directly download the report. So instead of sending the report manually or some courier, you don't need to send anything like manually or courier, but they can directly download on their letterhead and they can print it. Installation remotely, training will be 3 days will be given, and AMC will be 8,000 per year. 2 lab instruments interfacing is free into this plan. Then extra instrument interfacing is already given, charges are given. The third plan is this gold plan. In this 1,50,000 and USD 3,000. Okay, in which you get 10 users, 10 collection center inbuilt. Installation remotely, 5 days will be the training program. AMC will be 15,000 per year plus GST. What are the GSTs are there? Has to be paid 18%. Then in this 3 lab instrument interfacing is free. The fourth one is the platinum plan, which is the ultimate plan. And here you will see everything is unlimited. There is no limit. You can open your collection centers. You can have unlimited. Nothing is limited over here. Installation remotely, again all the installations are remote. Nobody comes like personally over there unless until lab insists that yes, they need a person on site. Then we charge extra amount for that. Depending on the availability, an engineer can be sent. Training will be 7 days. Okay, and AMC will be 25,000 per year, and 4 lab instrument interfacing will be done. Now instrument interfacing can also be done remotely, so there's no problem. Instrument interfacing is not a very complicated task. It's just you just need one technical person who knows little bit about computers and networking. Such type of person is required, and our engineer will guide him or her how to do interfacing. It will be very easy. There is no need of coming on site for the interfacing. We'll guide you everything about the cabling and all sort of training and support is given by Birlamedisoft. So you need not to worry how this software will be implemented. We have done plenty of installation remotely and it successfully works over there. And our support department is available to you. We are supporting to various places, not only just in India, but outside India also we are supporting. So you need not to worry. This software has got complete facility for backup. We will train you how to take backup so your data remains intact. There is no malfunction is anywhere. And this entire software is such a way that you have to just maintain the server. That's it. Because no software is installed in anywhere. Just a server maintenance. That's it. So maintenance is very easy. Just maintain the server. Keep the server in a good condition. Keep the server in AC, air conditioned room, and it should not shut down automatically. So once you maintain the server, you are good to go. That's it. And you have a softwares like remote softwares are installed on the server, so we can take the access to the server and we can remotely do any type of support for you. We can install remotely, we can give the remote support, everything is possible remotely. So this is the complete package. 2,50,000 you get the platinum version, and I'm sure this software is a fantastic ERP system for you. It's an offline online system. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Whenever you want to contact us, you just go here and see our contact details are listed over here. Okay, our email is listed over here, and we look forward for your valuable order soon. Thank you very much.